Chenro mar manyo ringre bungu ma Shakahola donjo e kidieny mar abich joma kelo ratich oganda e gwenge mag Kadhodh Nam Chumbi onyiso luoro e kwan ringre ma pod omoko e kuonde kano ringre sub county ma Malindi. Kotelegi kod Mathias Shipeta mar Haki Africa giwacho ni jodak ma kanyo ni kod luoro kaluwore gi kwan maduong' mag ringre ma oseyudi kipimo gi kuonde kano ringrego ma kwan gi ni piny e gwenge ma kono. Victor Kaudo ma bende kelo ratich oganda dwaro mondo piny owacho ochung chenro ma kamano mondo gidhi nyime gi fwenyo anyuola mag ringre 600 manoyudo bungu higni kata higa achiel mokalo. Ringre 17 osegol jumani ka 8 osefweny wegi gino makoro kelo kwan ringre duto moseyudi chopo 446 nyaka ni menyo chakre.
Bodies ambazo zitaletwa hapa na kwa hakika itakuwa ni jambo ambalo linaweza kuadhuru kiafya wakazi wa Malindi. So we are calling upon the government kwamba wangeanza na maswala ya DNA. Ikiwa wanataka support, waombe support nje, South Africa, nchi zingine, US, waje wawasaidie ili tuweze kusuluhisha maswala ya DNA, tupunguze mili ambayo iko hapa, tupeane kwa familia zao, alafu ndo tuende tufanye hiyo fifth phase iendelee.
Serikali imefail kuproduce hizo results zenye zilichukuliwa wakati ule. Sasa wana complain pia serikali wakisema kuwa these families are not coming out kukuja kutoa samples za DNA. Na sisi tunaambia serikali sio lazima wasafiri kutoka kila mahali wakuje Malindi. We have so many hospitals that hizi DNA results ama samples zinaweza kuchukuliwa na waendelee kufanya hizo sampling ili hizi bodies zikiwa identified.
An issue with the government chemists who had not had some reagents, but they've gotten reagents, and we expect that within the next 1 month they'll be able to have analyze the bodies which are there with them, so that as we exhume, we'll be also able to release the bodies which are there, so that now